In this video, I will be talking about the Geo IP settings of the X-Currency plugin. These settings will allow you to set some condition inside of the plugin that helps you to show your currency based on the user location. In my website, you can see I have 4 different currencies: BDT, Euro, Indian Rupee and USD. I want to show BDT and Euro only for the users who are visiting from the Japan. So let's go to the dashboard. You have to come to the X-Currency plugin, Global Settings, then make sure you have selected based on Geo IP option for the user welcome currency input field. Now we need to go to the currencies option. There I can see all of my currencies. I want to show BDT and Euro only for the Japan. So I will click this Geo IP button. Before I set anything, let me describe you this option. So the first option is country list type. There is 2 things you'll find: enable and disable. When it's disabled, and if you haven't set any countries here, that means this currency will show all over the world. Anyone can see this currency from anywhere. But if you specify any country here, that means this currency will be disabled only for these countries. If you go to the enable option, that means it will be disabled for all the countries. But if you select any country, that means it will be enabled only for these countries. You can select multiple. I have selected 3, but you can select it more than that. Right. So what I have to do here, I want to show it only for the Japan. So I will select enable option. So I'll select Japan here. I'll save it. That means if I visit from other countries, this currency will not appear. I'll go to the Euro and also set enable, then Japan. I'll save it. So in order to test this, you might need the VPN. I will select my URL and open it with incognito mode. I can see all of my currencies. Now let me switch to another country from the VPN. Now refresh the page, and when I'm visiting from the Netherlands, I don't see the BDT and the Euro. Okay, now let's go back to Japan. Coming back to the page and refreshing. Okay, now I can see all of my currencies. I don't want to select USD by default. When any user visits from the Japan, they will see that Euro is selected by default. So I will go to my settings again, and again make sure you have selected based on Geo IP option. Now I will go to the currencies again. This is my Euro currency. I'll click this Geo IP settings, and you will see welcome country. So inside of this option, I will select Japan. It means when anyone visits from the Japan, they will see this currency selected by default. You can select only one country here at a time. So I'll save it. Now let's go back to the page. Let's refresh it. It's not working. So I will remove the cache. I'll again refresh it. Now you can see by default the Euro is selected. So when you're testing the welcome currency or configuring it, make sure you remove the cache. Alright, thank you for watching this video.